पाकिस्तान का सिंतास मुआहदे पर सालसी अदालत के ज़िमनी फ़ैसले का खैर मकदम तर्जुमान दफ्तर ख़ारजा ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करते हुए कहा कि ज़िमनी फ़ैसले के मुताबिक सिंतास मुआहदा दुरुस्त और फ़ाल है। भारत को सिंतास मुआहदे पर एकतरफ़ा कार्रवाई करने का कोई हक़ नहीं। भारत के पास पाकिस्तान के ख़िलाफ़ कोई सबूत नहीं। पाकिस्तान कसीरुल-जहदी और तनाज़ात के पुरअमन हल और मसला फ़लस्तीन के इजलासों की सदारत करेगा। जयशंकर का पाकिस्तान की न्यूक्लियर ब्लैकमेलिंग के बारे में बयान हमारी सलाहियत का एतराफ़ और इनके अदम तहफ़्फ़ुज़ का अक्कास है।
The Court of Arbitration decided to announce this supplemental award in the wake of India's illegal and unilateral announcement to hold the Indus Water Treaty in abeyance. Pakistan welcomes the supplemental award. The award vindicates Pakistan's position that Indus Waters Treaty remains valid and operational and that India has no right to take unilateral action about it. We urge India to immediately resume the normal functioning of the Indus Waters Treaty and fulfill its treaty obligations wholly and faithfully. Both meetings will be chaired by Senator Mohammad Isaaq Dar, Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister of Pakistan, who will also preside over quarterly open debate on the question of Palestine. Pakistan looks forward to working closely with all Council members to promote timely and united action in line with the Council's charter, responsibilities and the expectations of the international community. As a country that has consistently advocated dialogue and diplomacy, Pakistan brings to the Security Council an objective, principled and balanced perspective shaped by its foreign policy, past experience at the Council and its long-standing contribution to the maintenance of international peace and security, including through UN peacekeeping and peace-building efforts.